In this video, I will show you how to check and enable Secure Boot in Windows 10 step by step. How to check Secure Boot status. First, let's check whether Secure Boot is already enabled. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Now type msinfo32 and press Enter. The System Information window will open. Look for Secure Boot State. Here you will see one of these options. On, Secure Boot is enabled. Off, Secure Boot is disabled. Unsupported. Your system may not support Secure Boot or may be using legacy BIOS mode. Step 2. Enable Secure Boot. To enable Secure Boot, restart your computer. During startup, repeatedly press your BIOS key. Common keys are F2, delete F10, escape. The key depends on your motherboard or computer manufacturer. Once inside BIOS or UEFI settings, go to Security, Boot, or Authentication settings. Find Secure Boot. Change the option from Disabled Enabled. If you see the message Secure Boot is not allowed if legacy ROM is enabled, it means your computer is currently using legacy BIOS CSM mode. Secure Boot only works with UEFI mode, so you need to disable legacy ROM CSM first. Go to Boot Options and disable Legacy option. Now go back to Secure Boot option and enable it and press Apply button to save changes. Now exit BIOS settings and wait until Windows rebooting. Now press Windows key plus R button again. Type msinfo32 and check Secure Boot status should be on mode. Secure Boot has been successfully enabled. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows tips, troubleshooting guides, and technology tutorials. Thanks for watching.